Ofloxacin and Metronidazole, how to use and what the side effect and what benefit this medicine today we are discussing. Actually this medicine used for all type of infection related, different brand name. This brand name is Oflox. Actually this medicine mostly used for infection related because this is bacterial prevent, cell from dividation prevent. Actually this medicine very useful for babies, infection related diarrhea and dysentery and different type of infection, ear infection also use. And more detail you also check description link available. And if you have any question then comment the below and like this video and share this video also. If you are more details to check the drtablets.com. This medicine how to use, ये 20 mg per twice a day actually this use. And more detail also check that different type of age group, different that dose. Actually this medicine without doctor prescription not use. More than side effect also available in this drug medicine. So you also check the description link we have provided, you also read. And the rate of this medicine 66 rupees in India and different country is another rate. This medicine combination is two drugs, Ofloxacin and Metronidazole is two type of medicine. And more detail also check the description link and different brand name. Actually this medicine 30 ml full dose and each a 5 ml content available. And you also check this is the schedule all of drug without doctor not permission. So only registered medical practitioner give this medicine. You also check the medicine related alert. So you more detail also check the description link and howfun.com and also check the doctor tablets in Hindi also available. So thank you for watching this and subscribe this channel also.